Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox purchase not completed. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can interrupt transactions. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, close and reopen the Roblox application completely. Sometimes, a simple app refresh can clear temporary glitches that prevent purchases from processing correctly. These initial steps often resolve many common purchase errors. Carefully review all your payment information, like the card number, expiry date, and security code, ensuring every detail is perfectly accurate. Check your bank or credit card account to confirm you have sufficient funds or available credit for the purchase amount. Sometimes, banks might flag online purchases as unusual activity, temporarily blocking them. A quick call to your financial institution can often resolve these holds, allowing your transaction to proceed smoothly. Double-checking these details can save a lot of frustration. Start by clearing your device's cache, which can remove old, corrupted data. This process varies slightly between mobile and desktop platforms. For persistent issues, a complete uninstallation and reinstallation of the Roblox application is highly recommended. Also, make sure both your operating system and the Roblox app itself are fully updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can create compatibility problems that prevent successful transactions. Ensuring everything is current can fix many underlying technical snags. If after trying all previous steps your Roblox purchase still isn't completing, the next essential action is to contact Roblox support directly. Visit their official support page and submit a detailed ticket. Be sure to include all relevant information, such as your username, the specific item you tried to buy, the exact error message, and the date and time of the attempted purchase. Providing screenshots of the error can also be extremely helpful for their team to investigate. They usually respond within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.